ನವ್ಯಂಗುಂಡ್ರನ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯಮ ಕಾಲ ಕೃತಿ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಮುತ್ತುಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತರ್, ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಮಲಾ ಮನೋಹರಿ, set author ಮಧ್ಯಮ ಕಾಲ ಕಂಜದಳಯದಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕಾಮಾಕ್ಷಿ. I learned this Kriti from Dr. Srimati Rukmini Shivaswami. In this Kriti, Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar explains about Devi Kamakshi of Kanchipuram along with Ekamareshwara. He also explains other names of Devi like Tripura Sundari, Shankari. Ragamudra comes in the Pallavi as Kamala Manohar Tripura Sundari. Ankitana composer comes in the Madhyamakala Sahitya Nanapallavi as Mamava Shiva Panjara Shuki Pankajamukhi, Guru Guha Ranjani Durita Banjani Niranjani. Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar was born in 1775 at Tiruvallur. He spent at Ramaswami Dikshitar and Subbalakshmi Mall. His father first guru, Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar, learnt Sanskrit, Telugu, Vedanga, astrology, Tattwashastra father. His father was Veena player and Kirtragam Siddhani. Later, when Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar visited Kashi, he met Chidannath Yogi. Chidannath Yogi taught him Sri Vidya Mantra. Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar for 5 years. When he dipped in Ganga, for surprise he got Veena in his hand. Today also Veena is present in family. He was patronized by Ettyapuram Maharaja. When he was at Ettyapuram, the people suffering without rain. So he composed into 2 Kritis, 2 ragas like Megharanjani, Amritavashini. When he sang these 2 Kritis, rain came and people are happy. He is 180. He is like a Narikelapaka. Narikelapaka means of coconut. He is Ishtadevata of Lord Subramanya, son Guru Guha. He has composed book Kritis like Navagraha Kirtana, Navavarna Kirtana, Panchalingasthana Kirtana, Shodasha Ganapati Kirtana, Vibhakti Pratyaya Kirtana, Gurupara Kirtana, Shri Neenotpalamba Vibhakti Kirtana, Abhayamba Vibhakti Kirtana. He introduced Nadaswaram temple ritual. He brought wine for Western music and introduced Carnatic music. His Shishya Parampara were Chinnaya, Ponnaya, Shimanda Vadivelu. He reached Lotus Meenakshi, Vandek Meenakshi Mundam. Sitting at Puri Kalani, also called Gamuka Kriya, according to Rasampurna Mela Paddhati on Deepavali day. Sa ga ma pa ni sa ni da pa ma ga sa. Kamala Manohar Ragas Janya of 15 Mahamalapala, the Suraskan Ragas Shadja, Antara Gandhara, Shuddha Madhyama, Panchama, Kakalishad Narohana, Shuddha Devata comes in Avarohana. This is an Audava Shadava Raga in Arana Rishabha Devata Varja. Rishabha Varja and Avarohana. The famous composition Kamala Manohari are Varnas composed by Sri Ramaswami Dikshitar and Sri Tanjore Punapule. Nandakti Kanjadalaya Dakshi Kanjadalaya Dakshi Kamakshi Kanjadalaya Dakshi Kamakshi Kanjadalaya Dakshi Kamakshi Kamala Manohari Tripura Sundari Kanjadalaya Dakshi Kamakshi Kamala Manohari Tripura Sundari Kanjadalaya Dakshi. Punjaragamane Manimandita Manjula Charane Punjaragamane Manimandita Manjula Charane Punjaragamane Manimandita Manjula Charane Mamava Shiva Panjara Shuki Pankajamukhi Gurugo Ranjani Durita Banjani Niranjani Kanjadalaya Dakshi Punjaragamane Manimandita Manjula Charane Mamava Shiva Panjara Shuki Pankajamukhi Gurugo Ranjani Durita Banjani Niranjani Kanjadalaya Dakshi Kamakshi Kamala Manohari Tripura Sundari Kanjadalaya Dakshi. Rakasha Shivadane Ambaraka Shashivadane Suradane Rakshita Madane रत्नसदने राकाशशिवदने सुरदने रक्षितमदने रत्नसदने श्रीकाञ्चनवसने अम्बा श्रीकाञ्चनवसने सुरसने शृङ्गाराशयमन्दगसने श्रीकाञ्चनवसने सुरसने शृङ्गाराशयमन्दगसने एकानेकाक्षरि भुवनेश्वरि एकानन्द मृतजरिवाश्वरि एकाग्रमनोलयकरि श्रीकरि एकाम्रेश मृगेश्वरि शङ्करि गञ्जदलाय दाक्षी एकानेकाक्षरि भुवनेश्वरि एकानन्दामृतजरिभाश्वरि एकाग्रमनोलयकरि श्रीकरि एकाम्रेश मृगेश्वरि शङ्करि गञ्जदलाय दाक्षी सा सनि द प म ग म प नि द प म ग सा सा नि द प नि सा ग ग सा ग म प नि सा सा नि सा ग सा म ग सा नि द प प नि नि सा सा नि द प म ग सा नि सा ग म प नि गञ्जदलाय दाक्षी सा सा नि द प म ग म प नि द प म ग सा सा नि द प नि सा ग ग सा ग म प नि सा सा नि सा ग सा म ग सा नि द प प नि नि सा सा नि द प म ग सा नि सा ग म प नि गञ्जदलाय दाक्षी कामाक्षी कमला मनोहरि त्रिपुरसुन्दरी गञ्जदलाय दाक्षी कामाक्षी I am sure you like my voice in this video. Please press the like button, bell button, subscribe button and share to friends and relatives.